Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You will start by checking model and Android version so you know which settings exist. Once that's done, back up any critical data and sign into your Samsung account to preserve synced preferences. Make sure you have stable internet because some options require updates. Now open Settings and go straight to Lock Screen Options. This is where ads are most often controlled. If you see no ads toggle yet, enable developer options only after following on-screen prompts. Don't skip this verification. You'll navigate to Settings, then Lock Screen, and inspect wallpaper services and related content providers to spot Samsung Daily or similar features. Turn them off because they inject promotional content. Next, open Galaxy Store and Samsung apps to disable promotional notifications and add personalization. This reduces targeted lock screen suggestions. Make sure to also check themes, edge panels, and any performance booster apps. Revoke their permission to show on lock screen. Once done, reboot your phone to apply changes and clear cached banners. Finally, clear cache and storage for Samsung Experience /Home and System UI because cached data can keep showing ads even after toggles change. If a specific app is responsible, disable or uninstall it, or reset app preferences to restore defaults. This avoids a full reset. If ads persist, boot into safe mode to confirm third-party app cause, check for a firmware update that patches ad behavior, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset after a full backup. If problems continue, contact Samsung support for device-specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.